Hello, this is Marianne Ritterflor. This is for Microbiology 225 for Azusa Pacific. Today we're talking about the video lab for the Microscopy for Microbiology. Just want to discuss a few things with you today. So wanted to talk about optical microscopes. First off, there's three types of main categories, one being optical microscope and then electron or scanning probe. An optical microscope can also be referred to as a light microscope. It's used reflected visible light and a series of two or more convex lenses to magnify and focus on an object. The most common type of microscope is a compound microscope, which utilizes the lens of a short focal length and a second lens of a long focal length. Next, I wanted to talk about depth of field and field of view. So the higher the total magnification factor, the smaller the field of view. So for example, if you're holding a rock, maybe like 4 feet away from you, at this distance, there is a large field of view or visible area that can be observed. In this case, the book is visible along with its location and relative other objects. As the distance between your eyes and the rock decreases, so does the field of view. If you're holding a rock maybe really close, like an inch away from you, there's a loss of dimension there. So, let's see. Instead of being able to see the whole rock, you only see closer, little parts of the rock. Let's see. And I think that's it. So let's get started looking at some slides. Here we go. Okay, so we're looking at the penicillin with conidia. Checked out the different lenses, and the best one I found with less foreground, but zooming in onto the specimen, was the low power, not the scanning, but the low. Because for this one, we can actually zoom in a little bit more. I don't know if you can tell. There we go. Good, so yeah, I like the low power for the penicillin with conidia. Okay, so we're doing the cheek and dental swab. Here we go. Just wiping off any excess. Okay. Place it. Probably easier if I had two hands. Okay, and let's see which lens will work best. Here we go. Let's go try with the scanning first. Okay, so using the low power lens, and I found my best image with that. Okay, maybe not all upload the picture. So yeah, So with the cheek sample, the low power lens is best.